In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on your YouTube. So real easy to do, very quick. So go to your YouTube and go over to the bottom right corner here. This is going to bring you to your actual profile and your account, your email and all that stuff, all of your history, and there's a bunch of things in here. So to go to the restricted mode on YouTube, go over to the gear icon at the top right corner here. And you just want to go to general. So this is going to bring up a lot of general settings, and you want to focus on the restricted mode. As you see, I have it turned on, so it hides potentially mature videos. And what you can do is just simply toggle that off, and then it'll automatically refresh for you, and you'll be able to watch different types of videos if they're a little bit more mature or things like that. This is also good for like a temporary parental control on your account as well. And that's it. It's very simple to do, very easy, and I hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next one.